This word is pronounced mishap. Mishap. It's often confusing for people who are reading it because you've got an S and an H right next to each other and you're expecting sh. But in this case, the first syllable is miss, so we get the S sound from the S, and the second syllable is hap, so we get the H sound from the H. Mishap. The first syllable is miss, like we would call a teacher perhaps. Oh, Miss Maloney, my teacher from grade school, was an excellent teacher. Or the word miss. When we miss something, I miss my cat because she's not here right now and I constantly want her around. And then hap, we have the H sound followed by ap, the sound in words like nap or tap or rap. Mishap, a mishap. I had a mishap the other day. I was cutting my own hair and I accidentally shaved my entire head. That's not true. I chose to shave my head, but tell me about a mishap that you had recently. Let me know in the comments below. What was your most recent mishap?